everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to glitch fake denote millions of Robux in Roblox. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app and create a random account. Once you are on your home page, tap on three dots at the bottom right of your screen and then scroll down and tap on settings, or you can simply scroll down and tap on create. After that, tap on start creating. Now tap on the three horizontal lines at the left and then scroll down, tap on passes. After that, tap on create pass. Once you create a pass at the left, tap on sales, then tap in items for sale, then set price and then tap save changes. Once your changes is updated, tap on dynamic price change. After that, add your main account and then add pin price and then tap enable. After that, go to the Roblox and open an store in the game, then open main account. Once you are in the game, go to the store with another account, open a store and tap buy. You can get it for pin price and that's it. That's how you can fake denote millions of Robux in Roblox on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.